Hello everyone, this is Chandan Jha, and in this video I am going to discuss equation of a circle. This is part 1 of the circle series. So without any delay, let us start the video. Here we have considered one Cartesian plane, x-axis and y-axis, and a circle with center O. Let us consider these coordinates of the center of the circle as a comma b, where this point will become a and here this point will become b. Now we are considering A as any point on the circumference of the circle with coordinates x, y. Then we can say this OA is the radius of the circle. Now let OA, the radius of the circle, be r unit, where we can write OA is equals to r. So this radius OA is r unit. Now if we apply distance formula here to find out OA, then we can write OA is equals to square root of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. In place of OA, we are writing r, and then if we square both sides, then it will become r square, and here we shall get x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. Now let us expand this x minus a whole square and y minus b whole square. Then we shall get r square is equals to x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square minus 2by plus b square. Now let us rearrange these terms in this way such that we shall get x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by, and here we are bringing this a square and b square terms together, that equals to r square. Further, we can rearrange it as x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by is equals to r square minus a square plus b square. Now if we consider this r square minus a square plus b square, this total term, as k, then our equation becomes x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by is equals to k, where we can say this k is r square minus a square plus b square. Things to remember: if we have k, that means k is nothing but difference of the square of radius and the sum of the squares of the coordinates of center, where a and b, we can see this is the coordinates of center. So r square minus a square plus b square is k. Let us deal with one example. If we have one equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y is equals to 12. So this is an equation of circle. We can compare here. If we get any equation in this form, then we have to understand that that equation is representing one circle. Now this 4x can be rewritten as 2 into 2x, and the 6y can be rewritten as 2 into 3y, so that we can get this form of the equation, and it will become easier for us to compare and to determine the center of the circle. Now here, if we compare this equation and this equation, then we can conclude that a is 2 and b is 3. Thus, we can say that the center of the circle, this one, is 2, 3. Later on, this k is 12 here in this case. Now, 12 is equals to r square minus a square plus b square, known to us. A is 2 and b is 3. So a square is 4 and b square is 9. Thus we are getting r square is equals to 25 after solving this. Thus r is equals to 5. Next, then we can say this radius of the circle is 5 unit. So we can understand that if we get an equation in this form, then from here we can determine the center of the circle and as well as the radius of the circle. Now let us see some special cases. If the center of the circle is origin O, then A and B both will become 0 because center is origin. And this is the basic equation of the circle. R square is equals to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, that we have got previously. Now in place of a and b, we shall put 0. Then we can get x square plus y square is equals to r square. Therefore, if we get an equation in this form, then we have to understand that this is representing one circle. Apart from that, the center of that circle is origin and radius is r unit. Similarly, if the center is lying on x-axis, then our coordinates will become a, 0 because it is on x-axis. So y ordinate will become 0. So in this equation of circle, if we put a as a and in place of b we shall put 0, then our equation will look like this. Now after expanding, we can get x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square. Here, if we don't have any term related to y, then we have to conclude that the center is lying on x-axis. Similarly, if center lie on y-axis, then again in this equation we shall put a is equals to 0, and then we can get this equation. Here also we can understand, if we don't have any term related to x, we have x square, but we shall not have any term related to only x, then the center lies on y-axis. So that's all in this part. In next part I shall discuss with more examples. So thank you for watching.